Cyclematic is a professional machine tool manufacturer that consistently has manufactured high-accurate toolroom lathes since its establishment in 1980. Cyclematic Machine, our application for small precision part processing equipment and part sample development. All machines undergo comprehensive self-check, high-precision instrument inspection and test, for precision scrapping, spindle dynamic balance test, and laser interferometer test. Noise test, temperature rise test. Cyclematic guarantees quality as every machine meets customers' requirement. Cyclematic enjoys great popularity and exports products to over 40 countries. It's also a participant in major international exhibitions and a service provider. In the future, it will continue to engage in innovative R&D and production to expand overseas market, strengthen Cyclematic competitiveness, and strive to become world famous.